is Agustin. I'm making a 3D printer for making metal objects. I mean steel, titanium, aluminum and other metals, maybe ceramics too. I want to make 3D metal printing more affordable to general public. This printer is an open project. I'm going to upload videos and a step-by-step tutorial for making a 3D metal printer. For making this printer, you only need two things: vacuum and high voltage. It's not too expensive. I want this printer to be as cheap as possible, so you can make it in any country with low resource. I need your help to support this project. You can help me in Patreon or in Bitcoin if you want. If you are interested to participate, you can tell me. I hope we can work together. Bye for now.